Hi everyone, Mansfield Scratcher back, and tonight I am going to be doing 10 of the Cash Explosion 10X tickets. So odds on these are 1 in 4.19. Of course, as always, seems like I'm only looking for 2 wins and 3 to beat the odds. So, there's a bonus spot right there. If I get 5 or 10x, those are my multipliers. And a entry will get me into the TV show, or to try and get in the TV show. If I reveal a cash symbol down here, it's the win all 10 prizes, and of course matching your numbers to winning numbers. So we're going to go ahead and get right on into this. Here we go. Let's see if I can find one of those elusive cash symbols for a win all. Wouldn't that be a nice thing to see? Okay, a 1x, so is this a winner? We'll find out. 14 and 22. No, nothing on the first one. Okay, on to the second one. Here we go. Okay, 27, 24, 18, 21, 4, 9, 30, 28, and 16. And of course, there's my entries, so we know this will not be a winner. So I don't count entries as winners, although it is conceivable you could be a winner if your name is drawn. So, okay, on to ticket 3. 19, 9, 29, 22, 12, 28, 13, 23, 4, and 16. Ooh, 10x, wouldn't that be nice? 6 and 20. Nothing. Okay. Really would like to find a cash winner. Okay, here we go. 26, 9, 2, 23, and 29. 6, 27, 19, 25, and 8. And of course, the second entry, 21 and 22. Nope. Okay. Okay, here's my next one. 27 and 7. 23, 3, 9. 29 and 6. 25, 4, 14. There's a winner. There's a 7 for a 5x. Okay, what do I have? $5. Okay. So I got my first cash prize winner of $5. Can I find one more? 29 and 19. 36, 14, 7, and 9, 4, 18, 22, and 25. Nope, nothing on that one. Let's see, can I get one more win? That's all I'm looking for. 13, 23, 12, 22, 28, 3, 11, 30. That's a winner, folks. So 2 threes and a 7. I don't have a 7 for 1 and 1. So another $2. Got 7 back out of my 20 spent. Can I go back to back? That would really be nice. Here we go. 28, 6, 13, and 15. 26 and 24. 21, 23, 28, 14, and 30. Nope. Coming right down the home stretch. Got 2 more. Can I find one more winner to beat the odds? 9, 21, 8, 15, and 16. 19, 4, 3, 13, and 6. 30 and 22. Nothing. Last one. $7 and 20. There's a 7. Another 7. And a 20. So 3 matches for a 1X. 1, 2, and $3. Is $3 a prize? Yes, it is. Very rare do you find a $3 prize on a $2 ticket, but it is there. So, okay, so Black Box 99 came in with a 3. Had 2 more for 5. And that $5 for 10. So I got 10 back on my 20. Okay, everyone, please comment, like, and most importantly, subscribe down below. And I will catch you all again in my next video. Have a good one, everyone.